When you're young, everyone keeps asking what's next. But what if the better question is, what could you become? Not everyone's path is college, and drifting from job to job isn't a plan. Junior Achievement of South Florida's Pre-Apprenticeship program offers 6 months of hands-on training, tuition free, right here in Broward County, in industries that are hiring. Construction, marine, water management, and telecommunications. You earn industry-recognized certifications, and you gain real experience. And somewhere along the way, you start wondering if you're ready. This isn't just a job opportunity. It's a career. It's stability. It's a brighter future. Applications are open for January 2027. Learn a trade, secure your future.